We have almost finished the main part of the geometry. Today we will discuss the chapter Geometrical Concepts Related to Regular Solids, that is chapter 11. It is a model making chapter. Before starting this chapter, we would like to discuss about regular solids. At first, watch the videos attentively and note down the definitions of solids that I am sending for you. Then you will make the models of cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, prism and pyramid. The process for making these models has been described in your textbook, page 123 to 126. You will make models in a week. After making these models, put them side by side and take a picture and send to me. Now look at this book. The upper surface of the book is rectangular plane. The book has 6 similar plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2 adjacent surfaces of the book meet at the border line. 2 adjacent surfaces of the book meet at the border line. This line are border lines. In a book, there are 12 such border lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The plane of the book are not uneven, so they are plane surface or smooth surface, but broken stone have uneven outer surface, so such surfaces are called curved surface. One rectangular plane of a book has 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. One book has 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A brick has also 6 surface, 12 border lines and 8 vertices. Is there any special name of this type of solid? Cuboid. Now look at this solid. It has one curved surface, one plane surface, and one vertex. Look at this solid. It has one flat base, one curved surface, and one vertex. The name of this type of solids are cone. Now we define a cone. A three-dimensional geometric shape that cracks smoothly from a flat base to a point is called a cone. The point is called vertex. Repeating again. A three-dimensional geometric shape that cracks smoothly from a flat base to a point is called a cone. The point is called vertex. Now we define a right circular cone. A three-dimensional object which has one circular base and a single vertex is called a right circular cone. A solid cone has one curved surface and one plane surface. Examples of cone: funnel, ice cream cone, clown's cap, birthday cap, etc. Now look at this solid. It has one curved surface and two plane surface. One plane surface, and this is another plane surface. It has two edges. One edges, two edges. This type of solid is known as a cylinder. Now we define a cylinder. A three-dimensional object which has two edges contained by a curved surface is called a cylinder. Repeating again. A three-dimensional object which has two edges contained by a curved surface is called a cylinder. Now we define a right circular cylinder. A three-dimensional object which has two parallel circular base. One circular base, another circular base. Repeating again. A three-dimensional object which has two parallel circular base contained by a curved surface is called a right circular cylinder. Examples are milk container, pencil container, pipe, tube light, pencil, etc. A thick hollow pipe has two plane surfaces and two curved surfaces. This picture is a hollow pipe. One is inner curved surface and other is outer curved surface. At the two ends, there are two plane surfaces. Solid which are similar to a hollow pipe in shape are called hollow cylinder. Now draw another picture. Look at this picture. It has two triangular ends and lateral surfaces are rectangle. The name of this solid is prism. It has three lateral surfaces and two ends. This prism has 5 number of surfaces. Now define a prism. If the two ends of a solid are polygonal and the lateral surfaces are rectangular, then this type of solid is called prism. Look at this ball. The ball has only one surface. This surface is not like the surface of a cuboid, so it's a curved surface. The solids which are similar to ball in shape are known as sphere. Now we define a sphere. A three-dimensional object which has only one curved surface is called a sphere. Some examples of sphere: football, tennis ball, cricket balls, bubbles, marbles, orange, etc. There is a borderline in the middle of the ball. If we divide it along the line, we get two equal half sphere. This half sphere is known as hemisphere. This is solid hemisphere. A solid hemisphere has two surfaces. One is curved surface, another is plane surface.